Hi, in this video I'm going to be guiding you through a simple mindfulness exercise that you can use to help yourself cope with unhelpful emotions and stress. So when you're going about your day and you notice you're distracted by a fearful or anxious or a stressful thought, try experimenting with this. When you notice you're distracted by this thought, experiment with seeing it for what it is. It's just a thought. It doesn't represent fact or reality. It doesn't necessarily need to be acted on or pondered on. It's just a thought. Thoughts come and go all the time. A lot of our thoughts are often unhelpful. So when you notice you're distracted by a thought, see the thought for what it is, just a thought. If it's a fearful or anxious one, it's probably a thought about the future, which has not yet happened. And if there's nothing in particular you can do in that moment, productively, in response to this thought, then give yourself the freedom to notice the thought and then bring your attention to your breath. Notice that you're breathing and follow the breath in and out a few times. Focusing on the breath allows you to ground yourself back into the present moment. And the breath is so powerful a tool as an anchor. This is as you're going about your daily life or during labour. By focusing on the breath, following it in and out a few times, you've disconnected yourself from that unhelpful distraction, back in the present moment. And then you can choose to re-engage with your day, to focus on what is important for you in that moment. Maybe it's returning to something you were doing, or maybe it's encouraging a reflection on what is important for you right then and there. This is an exercise that you can complete as many times as you need to during the day, recognizing that distraction by unhelpful emotions and stress takes us out of the present moment. So what we need to do is we need to bring ourselves back by focusing on our breath and then reconnecting with the here and now. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for listening.